Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Diaper absorbency affects burping by keeping your baby comfortable during feeding. A dry, absorbent diaper reduces fussiness, helping your baby relax and release trapped air more easily. In contrast, a wet diaper can cause discomfort and irritability, making burping harder. Choosing the right diaper supports both dryness and smoother burping.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.